हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू माय यूट्यूब केमिस्ट्री चैनल। आई एम एन एजुकेटर डॉक्टर रोहित चक्रवर्ती। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने ये वीडियो लेके आया हूँ। दिस इज़ द टॉपिक फॉर क्लास 10th अबाउट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस. So what are the different types of chemical reactions we are going to discuss in this video. So I hope this will actually enhance your knowledge regarding the different types of chemical reactions. What are the criteria on which we can categorize or we can differentiate about different kind of chemical reactions. So chemical reaction, along with we can discuss about the chemical equations also. So let's start this video. First is the chemical combination reaction. So what are combination reactions? Combination reactions are those where the elements get combined to form a new compound. So here what happen, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे दो elements combined हो जा रहे हैं. So this reaction is known as combination reactions. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ reactions लिखी हुई, जैसे carbon plus oxygen, it gives you a carbon dioxide. Secondly, hydrogen gas when it gets reacted with oxygen results in the formation of water. Alright. Now the third example is iron when it reacts with sulfur, it results in the formation of iron sulfide. Ammonia when it gets reacted with hydrogen chloride gas or HCl results in the formation of ammonium chloride. So these are the various example of the combination reactions. Here you can see there is no byproduct formation, only one product is formed. So both the reactant gets reacted with each other, result in the formation of only one compound. So this reaction is known as combination reactions. Here you can see some other example also, like calcium oxide when it gets reacted with carbon dioxide results in the formation of calcium carbonate. Sulfur dioxide gas when it reacts with oxygen at a higher temperature in the presence of catalysts result in the formation of sulfur trioxide. So these are the various examples of combination reaction. Now let's talk about the second type of reaction, that is combustion or exothermic reactions. So what is combustion? Combustion is basically what happens when there is a combustion in the presence of oxygen. जब किसी चीज को जलाया जाता है, that too in the presence of oxygen, it results in the formation of a product. And what happens? It is a exothermic reaction. All right. Exothermic means heats get generated. So here the example is formation of metal oxide when magnesium metal get reacted with oxygen result in the formation of magnesium oxide. So this is known as combustion reaction and it is a exothermic reaction. All right. So here heat and light gets generated in the reaction. Now coming on to the third one, that is the decomposition reaction. As the name suggests, decomposition means there is a breakdown of the compound. What happened? The starting material, or you can say the reactant, get decomposed into two or more products. Here I have given the example of like AB. Suppose we consider AB as a raw material or it is a reactant. It get decomposed into two components, that is A and B. Here I have given an example of potassium chlorate. It results when it gets heated, it gets decomposed in the formation of potassium chloride and oxygen gas gets liberated out. Second one, there are different type of decomposition reaction. Second one is your thermolytic, where what happen? It takes place when you give some heat energy. So here the example is calcium carbonate. It get decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Second example is ammonium chloride. It get decomposed into ammonia and HCl gas. Now the third one is your endothermic reaction. Here what happen? When you touch this reaction in a beaker, when it gets happen, there is a endotherm. So आपको थोड़ा ठंडा फील होगा. Like mercury oxide when it get decomposed result in the formation of mercury and the oxygen gas get liberated. Now the last one is your photolytic decomposition and the electrolytic decomposition. So पढ़ लेते हैं एक बार. Photolytic decomposition में क्या होता है? As we can see here, what happen? H nu, that is in presence of light. These kind of decomposition will happen in the presence of light. So these decomposition reactions are known as photolytic decomposition. Example, silver bromide, it get decomposed into silver plus bromine gas get liberated. Or silver chloride, here what happened? As you can see, silver and the chlorine. So this is the example of photolytic decomposition. And the last one is your electrolytic decomposition. Here what happened? External current has been given through which the reactant get decomposed into various component or into various products. Here I have given an example of aluminum oxide. Here external current has been given, results in the formation of aluminum metal and the oxygen gas get liberated. Another example is lead bromide. It get decomposed through electrolytic decomposition, results in the formation of lead metal and the bromine. Now coming on to the next one, that is the single displacement reaction. So what is single displacement reaction? Till here what happened? The most reactive metal replaces the less reactive metal from the compound. So these kind of reaction is known as single displacement reaction. Here you can see the iron is more reactive than copper sulfate. So what happened? This iron will replace the copper from the copper sulfate, result in the formation of iron sulfate, and copper gets separated out. Here I want to say one thing, that for these kind of reaction you have to learn the reactivity series. Let me show you the easy way to learn the reactivity series. Here I have written the reactivity series. You can see potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, then zinc, iron, tin, lead, हाइड्रोजन, कॉपर, सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड. तो ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज है. इसमें जो टॉप में मेटल है दैट इज मोस्ट रिएक्टिव, और जो सबसे नीचे है दीज आर लीस्ट रिएक्टिव. एज यू कैन सी कॉपर, सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड, दीज आर द लीस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल्स, बिकॉज ऑफ विच आपने जनरली देखा होगा ऑर्नामेंट जितने भी बनते हैं वो सिल्वर और गोल्ड के होते हैं, क्योंकि इनसे कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होती स्किन में. तो जनरली all the ornaments and jewelries are made up of silver and gold, and potassium is the most reactive metal in the series. इसको आपको लर्न करने के लिए एक निमोनिक्स है होता है. प्लीज स्टॉप कॉलिंग मी अ केयरलेस zebra, instead try learning how copper saves a gold. So in this way you can learn. Please potassium, stop sodium, calling calcium, me magnesium, a aluminium, careless का carbon, जीब्रा का जिंक, इंस्टेड का आयरन, ट्राई का टिन, लर्निंग का लेड, हाउ का हाइड्रोजन, कॉपर Cu saves gold. So this is the way you can learn this series, through which you can learn कि which metal will replace the another metal. अगर जो पोटेशियम होगा it will always replace other metal below than this. So this is the reactivity series. Okay, so it will help you to learn the single displacement reaction. तो सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट में और एग्जांपल्स मैंने जैसे दिया हुआ है, जिंक इट विल रिप्लेस कॉपर सल्फेट. जब भी हम कॉपर सल्फेट का एक्वस सॉल्यूशन रखेंगे बीकर के अंदर, उसमें जिंक डाल देंगे, सो द ब्लू कलर गेट washed off or the color gets changed because zinc is more reactive than copper, so it will replace the copper sulfate. Zinc get replace the copper, so there will be a formation of zinc sulfate. यहाँ मैंने गलत लिख दिया, it is a zinc sulfate. It is zinc sulfate. Okay. Similarly, we can write down aluminium से जब copper sulfate react करेगा, it results in the formation of aluminium sulfate and copper solid gets separated out. Similarly, lead replaces the copper and it results in the formation of lead chloride and copper gets separated. Now the second example is the double displacement reaction. Here what happened? Double means two products get formed. What happened here? You can see all the metal gets separated out, but here there will be a formation of two compounds like silver nitrate. When it reacts with potassium chloride, it results in the formation of precipitate of silver chloride and potassium nitrate gets separated. So these are the reactions which are known as double displacement, because what happened here, potassium replaces the silver, but silver also get reacted with chlorine and results in the formation of silver chloride. Here other examples like silver nitrate, when it reacts with HCl, results in the formation of AgCl and nitric acid gets formed. Iron oxide reacts with HCl, results in the formation of iron chloride and water gets replaced as a byproduct. So these are the different examples of double displacement reaction. And the last one is the redox reaction. So what is redox reaction? Redox reaction is the one where oxidation and reduction both take place simultaneously. Oxidation आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. Oxidation is addition of oxygen, or when there is a loss of electron, that is known as oxidation. And reduction is addition of hydrogen or acceptance of electron is known as reduction. So where what happened, those reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are known as redox reaction. Here I have given an example of metal oxide, iron oxide. When it reacts with carbon, what happened? Iron it get reduced because यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, oxygen separate हो जा रहा है, so there is a loss of oxygen. So what happened? Iron get reduced and carbon get oxidized. There is a formation of carbon dioxide. So here there is a gain of oxygen, there is a loss of oxygen. So here both the reaction takes place simultaneously. So this is a wonderful example of a redox reaction. Second example I have given that ammonia when it reacts with bromine results in the formation of nitrogen and HBr. So these are the examples. So hope this will actually enhance your knowledge about the different kind of reaction. आज हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? redox reaction, double displacement, single displacement, then your reactivity series. reactivity series का एक निमोनिक्स जो मैंने आपको ये बताया, सेकंड एक निमोनिक्स और भी होता है जिसको हम हिंदी में बॉलीवुड हीरोइंस के ऊपर रखा हुआ है. कैटरीना ने कार मांगी एल्यूमिनियम टू एल्टो टू जेन फरारी, फिर भी क्यों मिली सिल्वर ऑडी. तो ये भी एक तरीका है. कैटरीना का के, सोडियम का Na, कैल्शियम का Ca, मैग्नीशियम का Mn, मांगी एल्टो का Al, टू जेन का जिंक, फरारी Fe, फिर तो आप इस निमोनिक से भी याद कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द वे हाउ यू कैन लर्न द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको ये याद करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू लर्न. So different reactions come on to the main topic, that is different type of reaction. Redox reaction, double displacement, single displacement,